Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and investment specialist.
Welcome to 100 East 2nd Street in Emporium, a 4-unit cash cow investment opportunity.
All this at an amazing value. So let's take a tour.
All 4 units are spectacular, with 1 deluxe end unit. All featuring 2 bedrooms, full bathrooms, and an exceptional open living concept with a spacious kitchen, dining, and living areas, each with its own full basement for storage and private outdoor living space. The surrounding mountain views are incredible.
This rare property is adjacent to the West Creek Recreational Trail for hiking, snowmobiling, and all your nature enjoyment, with nearby Gazebo Park. Here we are in Emporium, a great place to live.
Emporium has great restaurants and shops. Located in a scenic valley setting with stunning mountain views. Could you imagine living or investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 100 East 2nd Street in Emporium.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and investment specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!